Can you talk about birds?
Yes, we can.
Start.
This is a woodpecker. It has a sharp beak. It backs at trees. I like woodpecker.
Very
this
good.
This is a myna. It is black and yellow. I like myna. Thank you.
Very good.
This is a pigeon. It is gray white. I like pigeons.
Very good.
This is a cuckoo. It is black. It can sing. I like cuckoo.
Very good.
This is an eagle. It is big. It flies high. I like eagles.
Very good.
This is a crane. It has long legs
Hmm.
and a long beak.
Hmm.
I like long fence.
Very good. Hmm.
This is a duck. It is short. It can swim. I like ducks. Thank you.
Very good.
This is a crow. It is black. I like crows.
Very good.
This is a hen. It is black, red, brown, grey. I like hens.
Very good.
This is a spray. It is small. I like small.
I like sparrows.
Sparrows.
Very good.
This is a stool.
Quail.
It is small.
Very good.